How to cancel Ourtime account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can cancel or delete your Ourtime account. So for that, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser. If you're using desktop, laptop, or browser, go to ourtime.com and log into your account. Tap on your profile or the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen after you log in and verify your account. You cannot access any of the features in Ourtime until and unless you do not verify your account. So tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of this screen. Now scroll down and there you will see the option of manage account. Tap on that and then you will see the option of delete account. Tap on that again, and from there you can choose to hide your account or continue by tapping on delete my account. Once you do that, you need to enter the correct form of your password which is associated with your account, and you also need to verify, and after that your account will be deleted. And if you're trying to turn off automatic renewal or cancel your account, you need to go ahead and open your settings and then tap on manage subscription, enter your password and click on cancel subscription. Answer a few short questions and then click on continue cancellation, and you will receive a confirmation number and a date for the last day of your subscription. From here you can go ahead, hide your account, deactivate your account, or cancel your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.